Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to apply filters on your search in the Bershka app. But first I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. Open the Bershka app, tap on the search and select a clothing, and on the top right corner tap on this little icon, and this is the filter. If you would like to apply some colors, what you would like to search for, and size, and price up to, let's say, $30. And if you would like to search for new items, tap on see results, and here you can see the items by your filter. That's pretty much for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing, and see you in the next one.